Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to cover some exercises on strings. Let's see first question. Write a program to find the length of the string refrigerator without using len function. So, with using the len function, we can find the length of the particular text or the string. So, without using that len function, how we can find that length of that particular string? Pause the video and think. I think you guys tried out. Let's see the solution. Let's start. So let's take a user input so that user can enter the input. User string, let it be in this way, and input, enter string, enter a string. Okay, the user will be entering the string. Then now what we have to do? So if the entered string is, suppose it may be like apple, so each and every count we have to know, means apple length is 5. So without using len means, so we can use a for loop so that it can store the each character of the string. So in this way we can try now. For I in user string, so this thing only we can use here. This is a sequence for us here. This is only the sequence for here. Okay. Okay, now what we can use here, we want the length. So for each count we can calculate now. So let's take a count value initially as 0. Here count equals to count plus 1. Understood? So initially the count is 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So first letter, first character of the string will come. So it stores in this count value. Again next. So it's a for loop till the sequence completed. It goes on, and at last we want the total length of the count. Just print in this way. Okay, so let it be the string is apple. So first iteration it will come a, means at first iteration I will be equals to the first character of the string, which is a, and the count of that a is 1. At first iteration we have a, so the 1 will be stored. Next second iteration we have p, so now I value is p. Next it is second iteration, already the count is stored with 1. Again second iteration this 1 will be added on with 1, means 2. Next another p. Then this is the next iteration, so the third iteration, so this is plus 1 count. Similarly the till end of that word we have to iterate the for loop. At last how many counts we got will be printed over here. Let's see, let's say apple only. See 5, the count is 5. Without using the len function we used this 5. By using this count, with the help of this count, we tried the length of the word. Okay, look at here. By using this len function we can use directly in this way. Okay, by using len function we can try in this way. Without len function means we have to take the count of each iteration, each character, so that we can have the total count of the word. Okay, yes. Next we'll move to the next question. Look at here the second question. Write a Python program to replace the commas with white space characters in a given string. So suppose if the given string is having with commas, so we have to remove that commas and give the space. That is the question. I think you guys remember about the replace method, which I explained in the methods when I explaining the strings, methods in strings. In that I explained about the replace method also. So what is the replace method? So replace the old string comma new string. So what is the old string we are want to replace that string, and in the place of that old string what the new string we want to keep that string. So the first place should be filled with the old string, and the next space should be filled with the new string. And we can use this count also, it's optional. We can use the count value also till where we want to do this replace. Okay, by this replace method we can solve this question, I think so. You understood? This count is used to count the number of occurrences. Okay, it's optional. If you want you can use, or you can leave also. So I think you understood the question very clearly. Pause the video and try it out. I think you guys solved the solution. Let's try. So let's take this thing only as user string, and we need another string which will keep as s1, and here we have to write the replace one. So how the replace should be there? So the string which we are entering dot replace, and the old string. What is the old string we are having? We have to replace the commas with the white space. So old string will be the commas. So we have to use the comma. So look at here very carefully, and comma. Now we have to replace this old string comma with the white space. Just this is the white space, and we want to print this one. That's it. As simple it is. Okay. Yeah. Now let's try. Let's enter the string. It may be like apple, comma, is, comma, comma. One more comma will keep fruit. Yeah. So in this place where the comma was there, the in the place of comma we want the space. That's the question. So let's try. Yeah. In the place of comma we have gap. So white space. So here we used two commas. So we got two spaces, white spaces. Okay, this is one and this another. Okay, in this way we can solve, or we can use this count value also. This thing also I will show you so that you can understand more clearly about this count also. Comma 2 means only for the two iterations, for only two counts only it will be replaced. Let's see. Apple is a sweet fruit. Let's try in this way. See, only till the first two counts only we use this replace mechanism. After the two counts, as usually what the string is there, it is printing as usually. Only till two counts only we used this thing. Understood about this count also, how to use? Okay. Next, let's move to the next question. Next question is very important. Let's see. Write a Python program to check if the string is symmetrical or palindrome. So first let's understand what is symmetrical and a palindrome so that to solve the question. Look at here. The objective is to determine whether or not the string is symmetrical and palindrome. A string is said to be symmetrical if both halves of the string are same. Means let's consider the string. So the first half of the string and the second half of the string should be same. The first half and the second half should be same. And a string is said to be a palindrome. The first half of the string is opposite to the other half. Means the first half, if we the first half of the string should be opposite to the next half. At the time we can say it's a palindrome. So what is the difference between symmetrical and the palindrome? Symmetrical means the first half and the second half should be same. Palindrome means the first half opposite to the next half. So this is a major difference between this symmetrical and a palindrome. The string should appear same whether if we read by forward way or the backward way. If we read from left to right or right to left, the string should means same. So in that way we have to build. So I think you understood. So take a time and once think how it will come, the solution. I'll show the solution. Just think by yourself. Let's see the solution. So what is the main objective of this palindrome? The first half and the second half should be same. Means to know the first half and the second half, first we have to split the string into two parts. So to split the string into two parts, first we have to calculate the mid value. Let's consider the string maybe in this way, like madam is a string. So how many length of the characters it has? We have five. So five are the length of the characters. To split into two parts, first we have to find the mid value so that we can split into two parts. So what's the mid value? The string length by 2, so that it will be splitting into two parts. So the length of the string, which is this one, yeah, now, so this is the length of the string. So by this we'll get the length of the string. So means the length of the string is 5. So 5 by 2 means by divided by 2. By this we will be getting the middle value. So we'll be storing this value in the middle value in this way. And remember one more thing, actually this is in the form of a string data type, but the length, if we divide by 2, will get integer format. So we have to explicitly convert this into the integer format. So we can use int of, so that it will be explicitly converted into the integer. Okay, yes, till here understood? Let's take another example of the string is Anna. So compare this two. In this we have 5. The length of the string is 5. The length of this string is 4. So the length is odd, here even. So when we try to split this, we'll be having this 2 in the starting string and the ending string will be 2. And this d will be remaining. So when we try to divide this thing, which is even, so it will be dividing equally. This two strings, this two strings. But when we divide this type of string, when it's an odd type of string, so this d will be remaining. So we have to write for these two conditions, when the string will be even, when the string will be odd, what will be the situation. Okay, if the length of the string is even, how to check if the length of the string is even or not? By using this if condition. Okay, by using this if condition we can check the particular string is a even or the odd. Divided by 2 equals to 0. If it satisfies with the 0, we can say it's an even number, else it's a odd. In this way we can use. So this, if it is divisible by 2, when it gets remainder 0, we can say it's even. When other than this condition is nothing but the odd simply. Okay, in strings concept I explained about slicing. So look at here, colon mid underscore value. So when we get this mid underscore value till the middle value, means till this thing, till this one. So they didn't mention the start value. If they will not mention the start value, initially we have to start from the starting. So we have to start from this m value to mid value. So the mid value is d. So we have to start from m and we have to stop till d. So this is the first string. Understood? We have to store this one in the first string. Similarly, the second string will start with this mid value to that they didn't give the stop values. So till the end of the string, means this part is the second string. We have to store this value in the second string. Understood? The this is the middle value. Before middle value string will be stored in the first string. After the middle value will be stored in the second string. I think you guys understood. Similarly, this is for odd. So for even, this is for even. So even means the first we have to divide the string into two halves. Then first string from the mid value we have to store in the first string. Next, second half will be stored in the second string. Similarly, how we can try for the odd? Pause the video for 2 minutes and think. I think we can just simply add here +1. Understood? It's nothing but like when we are trying with odd, just this d is extra. So the d will be added over here plus 1, the middle value plus this one, so the d also will be included in this second string. Understood? Understood about this if condition and else condition. So when the first we have to take one string, it may be the madam or Anna, and first we have to divide that string into two parts by calculating the length by dividing by 2. Then we can calculate the if else condition. So where the if, in the place of if, the condition of if is to store the even numbers and else the odd numbers. So in the even place, the starting from the middle value will be stored in the first string, from the middle value to the end of the string will be stored in the second string. So similarly, the odd character also we can do the same way, from the starting to the middle value, but middle value plus 1. So one value will be extra in the odd, so that the middle value plus that one value and to the end. Yes, that's it. Just now we have to show the first string is equals to the second string. Then we can say it's a symmetric or palindrome. Then if it's not equal, we can say it's not symmetric or a palindrome. The first string and the second string which we split. So we use the condition for the even or odd. It may be the even or odd. The first string and the second string, if they are equal, we can say symmetric. If not the symmetric. Let's try. Here, oh, we used 3 equals to, yeah. Now we'll be entering the string for first odd, which is madam. Yes, this madam is not the symmetric. Look at here. Actually, this madam is a symmetric, but it is coming in not symmetric. What mistake we done here? So here we have to use double division, because if you use a single division, it may come in the decimals. So to avoid that problem, we can use double division, so that it will be coming in the form of an integer format only. And one more thing we can use here, in this way we can use here slicing also, by taking one character over here. So which is minus, from minus 1 means from end to the starting it will be taking the 1 space, or 1 gap, 1 distance we can say. Okay, now let's see. Madam, yes, it's coming, it's symmetric. Let's try with any other thing which is random. So it's not a symmetry, we are getting correct. Okay, I think you understood about this thing. Okay, let's see next question. Write a Python program to find the words that are greater than the given length k. Suppose the length of the word is 5 and the given word is k, means given length of the value is 3. Our string is 5. What they are saying, the word has to be greater than the k value, means it's correct. So the length of the string which we entered should be the greater than the k value. That is the one which they are asking in the question. So how we can solve this thing? First thing, you can split the strings into the substrings, so that you can know how much length of that string was there. And after splitting that string, then you can find the length of that string. And now it's simple. After finding the length of the particular string which we entered, we can compare that our string which we have that length with the k value. I think you understood the question, so just try. I'll show the solution. Yeah, this is the solution. So first we have to enter the string. It may be the, like, my name is Siri and the k value is 10. Okay, or we can take from the user also, it's not an issue. Then first we have to split the string, so that we can know how much length of the string was. So first we have to split that particular string into equal parts by using the split method. Then we can iterate the each and every character, each and every word. So for x in word which we have splitted, each and every letter will be coming iterating. So the length of x means we are checking that if the length of that particular word is greater than k or not. If that particular word is greater than k, then print that x. If not, we have to enter the string is greater than k value or k length. Understood? As simple it is. Just we have to use here split statement, and we have to use here if condition. So to check that if the length of that particular string is greater than k or not. Okay, I think you understood. Yes, string is greater than k length. Why we are getting the string is greater than k length? Because when we are splitting this string, it is divided into four words, means divided into four splits. Like my name is Siri, we are using this 10 is a k value. This k value is only the greater than the string length, so the string is greater than the k length. Okay, I think you understood. Simple, no? Yeah. Now let's see the next question. Write a program that takes a string as input and count the number of uppercase letters in the string. So we have to consider the string and we have to check how many uppercase letters and how many lowercase letters are there in the particular string. Okay, I think it's easy for you. Okay, try it. Here is the solution. So first we have to take the user input, which we have to store that user input in the variable x. Then we have to consider the initial user upper and the lower as 0. Then we have to iterate the first each and every letter or each and every character in the string which we enter by the user. So let it be an apple or anything. So each and every character should be iterated so that the character will be checked if it is uppercase or lowercase. So yeah, so we have to check each and every character. If it is uppercase, then we have to count in the upper one. If it is lower, we have to store in the lower, and we have to print this upper and the lower count. So suppose let's say this the string which we entered, which is like thin thin man. So this is a mixture of some uppercase and the lowercase. Okay, so the first capital T will be coming here. So the capital T is uppercase or lowercase? It's uppercase, so it will be storing here. The count is 1. Next, small h will come. So the small h is uppercase or the lowercase? Lowercase, so that will be stored here. So similarly, each and every character will be coming and checking it's the uppercase or the lowercase. So if it's uppercase, it stores in the upper value in this place. If it is a lower, it stores in this lower place, and total count will be printed over here of the completion of every till the string value. Okay, yes, let's print. Yeah, let's take this thing only, thin man or thin person. Yeah, some mixture of the uppercase and the lowercase. So yeah, it is separated from uppercase are 4 and lowercase are 6. Okay, I think this is easy. I think you guys understood the solutions for the problems. Still, if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. I will be definitely solving your doubts. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.